Another thing that you have access in primitives is light. It's just a simple light. Unfortunately, they are not very powerful. It's just changing. If you insert, for example, a point and a spotlight, it's a point light. You can see it. Just you can import, and it does not change shadow. Just change the shading and specular of the object. If you release that, if you're changing that, you cannot see any changes. If you release your mouse, you can see the effects. You can see the shadow is coming from the sunlight. It's here. And if you see, this is an object. If you the objects in a scene, but if you go to the scene, you can see the point light or other things that you insert in the scene. I don't know why they are separating these spots. And the rotation, you can see the position. You can change the position, rotation, and a scale in a point light. It does not affect anything because it's pointing and anywhere. Just you can change the color, for example, completely red. You can see it's completely make this range red. Nice. You can see the red effects. It's affecting, of course, these bumps, these normal maps. You can increase or decrease amount of intensity, and you can see it has a simple range. You can increase or decrease a number of the range of this effect. Actually, this is on point light. Wait, that you can see it's lighting based on your camera. Another light here, you can hide it. Another light that you can insert from primitives is spotlight. This is a spotlight. You can see it has an angle. Now in a spotlight, rotation is very important. You can rotate your spotlight and it emits an angle. The rotation here is important, and scale it is not important here. You can change the color of that, range, and here is the angle. You can increase or decrease of the angle. More tight, you can see the rotation in this case is important. You can make it this direction. This arrow is very important. It's pointed to light, and you can see it does not cast any shadow and create any shadow on any objects. And we don't have any. I don't know why it's very bad. Okay, that's it.